What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel, welcome back to another video, and welcome back to Vic Drives. Now, I know that my intros have been kind of long in the past, so I'm going to try to keep this one short. We're taking the Merc off-roading today, and of course, it's raining outside. Oh, you can't see that yet, but it is raining outside, so everything is wet. I am on street tires, and I have never gone off-roading before, so this should be fun. I do have to grab a couple things, and I am running kind of late, but I will pick this up when we get to the location. Like I said, rain. Anyways, we're still in my driveway, but I figured that I would give you guys a quick look into kind of what my systems are here, because I might not get a chance to explain them when I get there. So pretty much, we don't have anything. we have one button. It's a low range button, and pretty much the only way to engage that is to put the car in neutral and then hit low range like that. You get 3 blinks and then it's on, and I honestly have no way of testing it, so I'm just going to assume that it works. Alright, and here we are. We're meeting at a gas station named Engine. I have never heard of it before, but we're in the middle of nowhere in New Hampshire, so I guess it makes sense. So, things that I haven't told you guys about. Well, actually, no, I did tell you. So I'm running street tires. It is wet as hell outside. Definitely still raining, which means there's a pretty good chance that we get stuck. And before you guys go thinking I bought some, street tires that might be okay to drive on trails and stuff, I didn't. I will put up a graphic on the screen right now that says, or that shows you what certain reviews have said about the off-road capability of my tires. I also have not aired down, which I probably should have. But yeah, this should be fun. So I'm just gonna wait. I have a friend meeting me, and we'll go from there. And here we go. Like we got a twig stuck somewhere. Not entirely sure what's going on, but mini update. I don't know what kind of trail this is, but it looks an awful lot like a road. To be honest, I'm not complaining. Oh, never mind, we're back on dirt. but when are we gonna see the dinosaurs? We have beached it. And here we are back at the checkpoint, or the meeting point rather. There's the car, still in one piece. We got a couple twigs and stuff hanging out, but you know, aside from that, not bad, all in one piece. Couple leaves here and there, not as much mud, but you know, given that it's raining outside, probably not that big of a deal. The car will probably clean itself off. But yeah, so guys, if you enjoyed the video and you want to see me take the Merc out again, probably with some better tires this time and maybe a little itty bitty lift, or maybe I go full out Jurassic Park style like this picture, I don't know. Let's vote down below if you want to see me do a build on the Merc to make it look like the Jurassic Park ML. But yeah, and with that, time for an hour and a half long drive back home. So I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.